Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you a little makeup tutorial. Why I know it's different from before? Because I'm also a cosplayer. One of my best friends wanted me to make this video, so I'm going to make it. I hope you'll like it, and here we go! We're going to do a Sailor Mars cosplay makeup tutorial. So let's get started! First, I'm going to prime using this Essence Mattifying Pore Minimizing Primer. It's because I have a really bad skin, so it's important for me, but you can totally skip this step if you have beautiful, flawless skin, not like me. Next, we are going to use foundation. This is a Revolution Conceal and Define foundation. I have very light toned skin, so it's in F1. Oh, nice sound. So just I'm putting it on, and I'm going to blend it with some sponge. Why Sailor Mars? Well, Sailor Moon is one of my first anime that I've watched. I think a lot of girls are the same in my age. Actually, Sailor Mars wasn't my favorite character from Sailor Moon. Back in the day, it was Sailor Jupiter and Sailor Venus. But after I watched Sailor Moon Crystal, the new Sailor Moon, I realized I like Sailor Mars the best. I like the color red, I like fire, so she's perfect for me. Which one do you like the most? Blend in the foundation in your skin. Nice. Next, concealer. This is a Revolution one too. Concealer Define. It goes with the foundation. And this is in C1. It's a light color as well. If you have light skin like me, I look like a ghost always. Under the eyes, a little bit on the nose, and that's it. And blend it with the sponge. Next, I'm gonna use some powder. This is a Catrice Almay Plus One. It's very cheap and it's not as good, but it's all I have now, so I just tap it in with a brush to set my face. Next step, brows. I have pretty full brows, so I don't do much with it. I just use some eyeshadow matching the hair color. This time it's a dark purple one. It's a Revolution palette. Revolution? Fortune favors the brave. Nice one. So, using a brush, tiny brush, dark purple, I just brush it on. time to contour. I use a thicker brush for this and the Revolution contour, pressed contour. Here it is. It's a brown shade. You can use whatever shade you like, only a little bit, and contour the inner part of my eye, the nose, under the lips and under the chin. Little bit on the tip of the nose. Next step, the eyes. I'm going to use some primer. You guessed it right, Revolution. It's a light shade primer. And just put it on the eyelid and blend it in with the sponge. With a round brush, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution palette Neutrals 3. If I'm doing an anime character's makeup, I usually use natural shades for the eyes, so browns or pinks, rosy colors. This time I'm using browns because I think it matches the character more. This one here, and oh my god, I have some orange from the previous makeup, and start to move it on to the lid. Next, I'm going to put darker brown shade on the outer corner of the eye, this one here, and put it in the outer corner to deepen it a little. Here it is. Now, for the eyelid, I use a shimmering color, this time gold. This one here. I think gold matches with the red very well, so it's important to be a lighter shimmery color, but you can use anything you like. I use gold this time. The shimmer is on. Now, for the lower lash line, I'm gonna... First, let's do the pencil. For the anime eyes, I usually use a white pencil to make the eyes bigger, more anime-like. So, let's do this. Bigger, only a little bit. And now, with the same color I used on the lid, the brown, I'm going to define the lower lid, lower lash, sorry. Now, with the darker shade, I'm going to do only the outer corner. Ugh. For the inner corner, I'm going to use a light shimmer shade from another Revolution palette. This one here. And I always use an eyeliner. This is Revolution one too. So shake it. And I'm going to draw a little line. And eyes are almost done. This part is going to be the mascara. I usually put on mascara, then put on some fake eyelashes and mascara again. But I don't know where is my eyelash glue, so this time it's only going to be mascara, sorry. Next is the blush. I'm going to use a darker pink blush because for anime characters a strong blush is, I think it looks good, so I use a stronger pink one and just put it on my apples, the apple of my cheeks, and all the way and it's like you're blushing. It's cute. Next up is some highlight. Where is my brush? I can't find it. Oh, here it is. And I'm gonna use this little baby right here. It's a Revolution Marshmallow Heart highlighter and it's beautiful. It's a gold pink shade. So I dip in my brush and put some here first. Shimmery. Smells good. I might eat it. Here. On the tip of my nose. And on the bridge. I put a little under my eyebrow. And here above my lip. Little here, little there. Shine everywhere. And the final touch is the lip. For an anime character I usually use some nude lip color and in the inner part of the lip pink lip color, but for Sailor Mars I'm going to use a strong red lip. So first I'm going to start with a pink shade. Just like this. And I'm going to use a red liquid lipstick on top of it. And this will create a nice ombre lip. I'm going to blend it with a little cotton piece. And finally some setting spray. Where is my setting spray? Here it is. It's a strawberry and cream flavored. I don't know what flavor it is, but it smells like strawberries and cream. So let's fix this. Smells good. And we are almost finished. I'm going to go off camera, put on the thing on my head, and we are going to be back. And with the headpiece on, we can finally save the Earth. I hope you like this video, and in the future I'm going to make more of the cosplay kind of videos and more of the RPG geek kind of videos, so let's look forward to it, and I hope you liked it. Bye!